This is Lecture-3 Part-2. The rivers coming from northern mountains brought a huge amount of eroded soil, due to which northern plains are formed. In lower course, rivers split into various distributaries due to deposition of soil. These are Himalayan mountains, and from Himalayan mountains, various rivers are flowing. But these rivers cannot flow to further direction because of deposition of soil. यहाँ पे soil deposit हो गई, so the water of these rivers flow into various direction, and this is known as distributaries. The northern plains is broadly divided into three parts. First one is Punjab plain. This part is formed by the river Indus and its tributaries. Second part is known as Ganga plain. It extends between Ghaggar river to Tista river. Third part is known as Brahmaputra plain. It lies in the east of Ganga plain, and this is between the Tista river and the Brahmaputra river. Northern plain can be divided into four regions: Bhabar, Terai, Bhangar and Khadar. Do you know that this topic is very important? It is mainly asked in the exam. First region is Bhabar region. It lies on the foothills of Shivalik mountain. This is Himalayan range, and the foothills of Shivalik range is here. It lies over here. Bhabar region lies over here, and it is a wide belt of pebbles. Second region is Terai region. Terai region is a wet and marshy area with wildlife and forest. Many types of forest are found here. तो जहाँ पे forest होंगे वहाँ पे wildlife तो होगी ही. So it is a wet marshy region of forest and wildlife. This region is Bhangar region. This region is older alluvium plain which rises about the level of the flood plains. ये region जो होता है ये थोड़ा सा above level पे होता है. तो यहाँ पे जो सॉइल है हर बार चेंज नहीं होती. सो दिस रीजन इज फॉर्म बाय ओल्डर एल्यूवियम सॉइल. नेक्स्ट रीजन इज खादर रीजन. खादर रीजन यंगर एल्यूवियम ऑफ द फ्लड प्लेन्स. यंगर एल्यूवियम मीन्स यहाँ पे फ्लड हमेशा आता रहता है. इस वजह से फ्लड आने की वजह से यहाँ पे सॉइल इरोड होती रहती है और न्यू सॉइल आती रहती है. तो इन खादर रीजन न्यू सॉइल इज फॉर्म, एंड इन भागर रीजन ओल्ड एल्यूवियम सॉइल इज फॉर्म. ये जो रीजन है ये है रिवर वैली. जब इस रीजन के अंदर फ्लड आता है तो फ्लड हमेशा इसी एरिया में आता है, मीन्स खादर रीजन में. ये जो ऊपर वाली रीजन है भांगर रीजन, ये हमेशा अबव लेवल पे होती है. तो यहाँ पे तो सॉइल डिपोजिट होती रहती है और ओल्डर एल्यूवियम सॉइल है, और यहाँ पे न्यू सॉइल आती रहती है. So this region is known as Khadar region, and this region is known as Bhangar region. Mainly the difference between these two, Bhangar and Khadar, are asked in the exam. So this is very important topic. Now I want to tell you about two important points of this chapter. First one is Majuli. In the Brahmaputra rivers, in the largest inhabited riverine island in the world, Majuli is a inhabited riverine island. Means रिवर के बीच में जो आइलैंड बना हुआ है. कौन सी रिवर के बीच में? ब्रह्मपुत्र रिवर के बीच में. और यहाँ पे मैनी पर्सन्स आर लिविंग इन दिस आइलैंड. सेकेंड पॉइंट इज दो इज मेड अप ऑफ टू वर्ड्स. डू मीनिंग टू एंड अप मीनिंग वाटर. मीन्स द एरिया बिटवीन टू रिवर्स इज नोन एज दो. डू यू नो how Punjab got its name? I will tell you. In the word Punjab, two words are coming. First one is Panch, means 5 rivers, and second one is Ab. What is the meaning of Ab? Water. Means Punjab is the land of 5 rivers. You have to complete this assignment third, and I hope that you are completing your assignment daily. Any day I can ask any student to send their work. So thank you for today.